Alright folks, let's talk about Gilbert Artisan Co. Now, this isn't just any WordPress theme. We've crafted this specifically for those of you in the trades, woodworkers, interior designers, and other artisan businesses. It's designed to showcase what you do with the elegance and professionalism your craft deserves. You're not going to wrestle with some generic theme that doesn't quite get your business. Gilbert Artisan Co.? It's packed with everything a modern trade business needs to draw in those high-value clients. Let's dive into the core templates we've got. First up, the homepage. It's got those professional hero sections and service highlights, all fully customizable. You can pick and choose what fields and sections to show or hide. Then there's the portfolio showcase. Here, you can flaunt your finest projects in dedicated galleries. Again, customizable to suit your needs. Next is the services page. This one's got a clean, professional layout perfect for detailing what you offer. Tailor it to your liking. On to the About page. It's got sections for team profiles and company history. And yes, you guessed it, fully customizable. Need a contact page? We've got you covered with working forms that you can tweak as needed. We didn't forget about blogging. Blog pages come with beautiful post layouts to help you share those industry insights. And if someone stumbles onto a page that doesn't exist, don't worry, there's a custom 404 page to keep them engaged. Beyond that, you also get search, comments, sidebar, and archive templates, and more. Now check this out. We're throwing in some bonuses. Lifetime updates, so every future update is yours. Demo content featuring sample projects and services. Font awesome icons included. And we don't believe in plugin overload. Instead of needing over 20, Gilbert Artisan Co. has all the essentials built right in. Custom portfolio post type, contact form, newsletter sign-up, social media links, service management, customizer options. Wondering if this is right for you? Here's where Gilbert Artisan Co. shines. Woodworking shops and carpenters, interior design firms, construction and renovation companies, custom furniture makers, cabinetry specialists, home staging professionals, trade schools and workshops. And it doesn't stop there. Actively maintaining and improving this theme with regular updates. That means staying updated with WordPress compatibility, rolling out security patches, adding new features based on your feedback, boosting performance, fixing any bugs. And the cherry on top? It's a one-time payment, no recurring fees. Once it's yours forever.